Hello guys, welcome to Tiny Coding Problems. Today we are solving a very tiny issue that happens with React.js toolkit. Here is I'm having at an add to cart reducer, where after adding to cart I want to console log the state, and in the product.js file I'm dispatching an action on the click of a button, add to cart, and name, ID and price I'm passing. If we go to the browser, and here as you can see is console open, and it's a login, and after adding to cart you can see I'm having this weird kind of thing proxy, and it shows nothing about the state. So to solve this issue we can just go back to the cart slice, and instead of just passing console log state, we can use a function called current and then pass in the state. Okay, and if we go back to the browser, clear the console and log in again, and now if I add to cart, you can see we are having the state, everything is shown clearly. So the solution is to pass the state using current method that is imported from the React.js toolkit. If you find value in this video, then please like and share, as it will help other peoples also to solve such kind of problems. Thank you.